Hello everyone, welcome to Aperture Diary. I am Arindam and today I will talk about smart object in Photoshop. So further I do anything, let's get started. So as usual, you need to open a Photoshop. So let me open it. Now let me explain smart object first. Smart object gives you the field to play around your settings after editing done. So once your editing complete, you can easily play around with the value and everything. So let me open an image. Here is the image. So first what I would do, I will unlock this layer and make it as a rasterize layer. Then I will add some blur value over this image. To do that, I need to go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Let me keep some high value like 60. Now hit OK. Then I need to, suppose I need to add some noise. Then what I will do, I will go to filter, then noise, then add noise. Let me 64. Let me, keep it 64. So if the requirement is to change the blur value, then I cannot do the changes, because to do that we need to undo everything. So only I can do if I undo these things and these things, then I need to put again a blur value like Gaussian blur. Then if I need to reduce it or increase it, then I need to do that. That is the more challenging part in rasterize layer. Here smart object comes to the picture. Let me undo everything. Still it's the lock background layer. Let me unlock it. And now I am going to create a smart object. To do that, right click on this layer, convert to smart object. So it's now converted to smart object. So how you can understand it is a smart object? Here you can see there is a small icon. So that denotes it's a smart object. So I am going to do the same thing. I will add some blur value over here. Let me go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Make it 60. You can see in your right side in layer box, it's already visible, like there is a new option already opened, smart filter and Gaussian blur. So let me add some noise, filter, noise, add noise. You can see add noise is also there. So if you need to change the blur value right now, so what you need to do, you just double click on this Gaussian blur, click OK, and you can easily change it. You can do the same thing for noise. You can decrease it, or again you can increase your blur value, everything. So that is the most useful advantage of smart filter or smart object. There is another advantage of smart object. Another small advantage of smart object is if you resize the smart object, it won't lose the quality. Let me show you. First I need to undo everything. Let me undo. That is the same thing. Background, it's lock. Now let me try to add some other picture inside this picture. So to do that, I need to right click over here, open document, and I am choosing this. Now what I will do, I will copy these things, Control C, then Control V over here. Make sure this is a normal layer, not a smart object. Okay, so if I decrease the size, okay, and hit enter or click on this icon, that will be fine. And now if I want to increase the size, so it will pixelate. You can see it's already pixelated. But it won't happen if this layer, if I choose this layer as a smart object. So let me show you. I am going to do the same thing. Let me again copy or drag and drop it and make it a smart object. So now you can see it's a smart object. So that is a rasterized layer and that is a smart object. Now if I decrease the size, hit enter. Now if I increase it, it won't pixelate. You can see. So that will be pixelate. Again, if I increase or decrease, but it won't, because it's a smart object. This is all for today. Keep watching and keep learning. Please do subscribe and comment below in case of any doubt. We will meet again with the new topic. Till then, goodbye.